Hi everyone, and welcome to the fourth video of the Algo trading playlist. So today we're going to see together how to open and close a market order on MetaTrader 5 using the official API. So before to start, I wanted to make your life a bit easier by posting, as always, the code we're going to look at today on my GitHub account. So the link is provided in the description of the video. So it's easier for you. You can just copy and paste and follow with me. If you follow me, you probably know that usually I like to write codes from scratch with you in order to show you a bit how it works. But we already saw this in Python for Finance. We saw this in the first video of the playlist, and this in the third video, I believe, of the playlist. And here is just a dictionary, so it will be always the same format. So I prefer to focus myself on how to explain rather than how to write and see. So here I decided to look at EUR GBP, so euro against sterling, and to trade with a volume of 0.5, which means 50,000 euros leverage included, because by default a volume of 1 means 1,000 units of the currency you're trading. So here I'm trading EUR, euro. So as I'm trading euros, it means 50,000 euros leverage included. The deviation is, as I will explain you later, the tolerance in absolute values of the variation of the price when you ask for the price and when your request is executed. Here the comment it will be basically written on your income statement that your broker will send you by email or something. And the magic, I will explain you this in another video, because otherwise it will be a bit too long. So as I told you before, it will be always the same format: action, symbol, volume, and so on. So action here, MT5.trade action deal, means I want an action now. I don't want to put an order for later or something. I want to act now. Then the symbol and the volume, this is logic. The type, here I want to open a long position, so I put all mt5.order type buy. But if I want to put a short position on the market, I will just write sell instead of buy. So you see. But as I put a buy request here, I will stay with buy. Then here I ask MT5. At the moment where I'm creating this request, the ask price. The ask price is what you can see here, the red line. The gray line is the bid price. So this is summary of a finance course. When you buy an asset, you buy it at the red line here, and when you sell it at the gray line here. This gap here, this spread, is due to the market, the order book, sorry. And it's also quite good for the brokers because you cannot do millisecond trading. It means that if you open a position and you close it instantly, you will basically have a loss due to this spread. So yeah, I'm asking for the ask. Then the deviation, as I told you before, is just in the absolute value of what is tolerated and so on. The magic, we'll see this later. And then the comment, I also explained it here. And so here, these two comes together because here it's written GTC for Good Till Cancel, and here IOC for immediate or cancel. Immediate or cancel means if your order isn't executed the first time, if it's not, if the deviation is too high or something, it will be directly cancelled. But here it's written Good Till Cancel. So if the order is cancelled, we just, we just pass and we don't care anymore about this request, we just delete it. And if I've put something else here, what we will see in another video, it will mean that if the deviation is too high and I don't cancel the request when the order isn't passed the first time, we will wait for this deviation to be tolerable, to be in the lower than this absolute value. So yeah, and then I put this request to execution. So here I'm sending the order and I'm stocking the results here in buy results. It will be useful when I will close the order, because if you put just MT5 order type sell, it will open a short position, but you absolutely have to put position by result.order. Otherwise, it will just open a short position. So yeah, let me just show you first this. So I will just run the first block of code here. And if I run this, as you will see here, I have red code 10,009. It means that it has been executed. This is what we see here. Here we have the comment also, I think. So here you see this were like the conditions. And yeah, the comment here, robot trading. So it's written on the, it's stuck in MT5. Yeah. And so here, if I do Control plus T, or if I go directly to File and then, no, to View, sorry, and then Toolbox, this is the same thing. I have on trade the current trade. So here I'm basically, yeah, this is just the trade I've just passed. So here you see I entered here on the trade with the little blue arrow, and now I will close it manually, but yeah, you see it works. So now I will basically close this trade by removing this guillemets. And so for the close request, it's quite similar because action deal, it's the same. It's now symbol, volume, type, sell, the contrary, of course, because we want to sell the same symbol. And as we bought here, we want to sell it. So here, as I said before, we want the bid because the ask doesn't matter as it's a sell position. And the position here, yeah, it's the same. We take the result of the order in order to know which position we want to close. And so yeah, as you see here, actually what it will do is that it will look at, yes, this request idea, and it will look at the trade corresponding to this. And then the deviation, same deviation from the bid. Then the comment, and same thing, GTC and EOC. So if I do this, you will see that I will have two red code 1009, and it will be request executed. And if I come back to MT5 here, of course I have no open position because it has been closed already. And this is what we see here. Wait, yeah, this is this one. This is the newest one. So here, as you can see, we have minus .58, which represents the spread, because we open and close the position instantly. And so, as I said, you will have a loss if you do this. So I will show you in direct what happens, and to just show you how quick it is. So I will click on trade. Here it's a trade. Actually, I have nothing, but I will have something. So just be careful about this. Something will appear and disappear instantly. It will be the open position and then the position that will be closed. So here, run. And you see, this is quite quick. I will do it again. Okay guys, so I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe for the next video on this subject. It will be really useful. We'll talk about magic, we'll talk about TP and SL, so take profit and stop loss. We will also talk about how to program trades and so on. So now I'm saying you bye bye and thank you for watching.